Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Alright, so we're here in the beautiful Manor Park area. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers in the next 3 months. Definitely like this video, leave a comment and share as well. Today we're here to check out the Manor Park Plaza. One of my subscribers asked for a walkthrough, so we'll be doing that today. And I think we can basically say that the Kingston Spring Road redevelopment project is basically completed. This roundabout was the last portion they were working on. Now it's finished. They have barriers around it on both sides. The bus park on the other side is also completed. So I think we can safely say that the Kingston Spring Road is 100% complete. So we'll take a walk through the Manor Park Plaza, both the upper side and the lower side. We have that lovely building up on the hill. I'm not sure if one of you guys, viewers or subscribers, can confirm what it's currently being used for. I think at one point it was a plaza. At another point it was a hotel. I guess I need to find out what's the official use of that building. So Manor Park. And now we're over to the Manor Park Plaza. So we have Rapid True Value, which is a home store, Home Depot and hardware. Then we have a candy store beside it. Alright, so after the candy store we have Sugar and Spice. Then First Caribbean Bank. Then Answers for Children, Domino's Pizza, Allen Grill, Digital. Then we have Payless and Select Grocers. We also have the Fromage Restaurant. Sorry, I think it's Cellar 8, my bad. So we'll try to take a closer look as well. So this is the Upper Manor Park Plaza. We have some apartment complex behind. So we'll definitely go and take a closer look. So we have Jacana right here. I think it's a herbal cannabis store. We have a beauty spa. Then Cellar 8 is a restaurant and bar. Fine dining, very fancy. If you've never been there, you could try it out. Very quiet, chill spot. So we have a dry cleaning. Select Grocers. And we have Payless right here. Digital beside it. Answers for Children, CIBC. We have Allen Grill. Domino's. This is Rapid True Value. Alright guys, so the upper Manor Park Plaza. Now we're gonna take a walk down to the lower section. Alright, so the upper and lower park, the lower and upper Manor Park Plaza is really separated by the Total gas station, the Total Manor Park. Alright, so this is the lower Manor Park Plaza. We have Burger King, new look. I'll try to get a closer shot for you guys as well. So it's a new look dry cleaners. We have a Mercedes-Benz here. Then you have Manor Park Pharmacy. Cannonball Cafe. Starfish. Simplicity. Manor Medical. Cellular Store. Clothes Store Meal Pack. First Global and KFC. So let's take a closer look at the lower Manor Park Plaza. So we have Cannonball Cafe. So Simplicity, it's a household item store. We have an aisle at the bottom down there as well. And then Collection is a hair salon. So this is basically Manor Park Plaza, upper section, lower section. Thanks for reaching this far in the video guys. Remember to comment, share, like and subscribe if you're new. We have IQ Optical, Flirt, KFC. We have Meal Pack and DHL here. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting. See you on the next video.